Amazing, right? That blue color of the ice. Really beautiful. Oh, I see a seal. A seal. There. Wait. There. You see it? Good morning internet, it is 8:15 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. This is starting to become a little bit of a ritual, having a yogurt with muesli breakfast in the tent while it is raining outside. I have a feeling that today it is not going to be dry and we're gonna have a lot of rain. Anyway, in any case, it will be the last day of this ritual here in Iceland, because today I'm riding back to Egilsstaðir, which is the place where I came off the boat. So I am going to ride back there today, and then I am leaving Iceland already. So today is the last ride. Let's see how it is. I think the scenery should be really beautiful, but hopefully we can see something and it's not raining all day. Well, everything that I own is wet and dirty. I had to pack everything in the pouring rain. So yeah, it's just, everything is just soaked. I feel like half the morning is gone and I haven't even started yet. I'm exhausted, honestly. This whole, I went camping, to isolate myself as much as possible, and also because, to save money, because it's really expensive around here. But it takes so much energy. And then there's people that say that only now I really start to become adventurous now that I'm camping. Well, I just, for the life of me, I cannot see how this is supposed to be more adventurous than what I've been doing all this time before. Anyway, the visibility is really poor again, so I don't think I can film anything. I'm just going to ride, see what happens. Hopefully the weather will improve a little bit. I'm just going to listen to music, full throttle, and just ride. That's the plan. And then tonight I'm going to stay in the same place as I did when I arrived in Egilsstaðir, in the camping pod. Then I can make sure that all my stuff is dry. I can clean some things, because I don't want to bring all this wet, dripping stuff 2 days on a boat. That's not a good idea. So, oh, this rain is just so miserable. Hey, doggy. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Well, there you go. The ice of Iceland. Amazing, right? That blue color of the ice. Really beautiful. Oh, I see a seal. A seal. There. Wait. There. You see it? There. I don't know if you can see it. It's swimming there. That is so cool! Finally a seal, because that's something that I've been really missing here in Iceland, is the wildlife. They don't have much wildlife here. Actually, the only land mammal in Iceland is the Arctic fox. And they also have some reindeer which are semi-wild, but they were introduced, so they're not endemic to Iceland. Okay, let's continue. I don't know how long I'm gonna last because I am so cold. Because I was working quite hard this morning, packing up all my stuff. I obviously started sweating. So everything is wet either from the outside from the rain or from the inside from sweat. So it is really cold. So if I don't know, come across a town, I might have to stop to warm up a little bit because it's super cold. Okay, let's see. Oh man, it is such a cold day. I just ordered a cup of tea so that hopefully will warm me up, and yeah, I'm just going to try to warm up a little bit, dry up a bit, especially my clothes underneath my jacket, and then go again. I just only covered 130 kilometers. It's not very far, but it is so cold. So, well, anyway, fingers crossed that the weather will clear up and that it will be dry later on. That'll be great. So, but yeah, first warm up. Yes, a tunnel. Woo. Oh, this is the first dry bit of the entire day. Whew. Very strong side winds. Well, it's unbelievable but true. I arrived in Egilsstadir and it is dry. This ride today was actually a little dangerous in places. When I was riding past the cliffs, the wind was so strong that it kept on pushing me off the road a couple of times. And well, I could barely film anything because, yeah. I couldn't see anything. Anyway, that was today. It's a shame that it was so extremely cold and rainy. But hey, I made it. I'm going to the camping pods now. I'm again an hour early for check-in, so let's hope that they'll let me in. I can already see the tiny houses there. Home sweet home. Hi. I made a reservation for the pod.
Yeah, okay.
But I'm a little early.
That's okay. Yes.
Norali. Stayed here before 2 weeks ago as well.
Yeah, okay, so you know about everything.
Yeah.
That's good to know. You're on pod number 1.
Yeah.
And this is the key code.
Okay, so one is the closest from here or the furthest? Closest. Okay.
The first you will come to.
Sorry?
The first pod you will come
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Close the door?
No.
Open? Okay. cannot wait to take a hot shower and warm up and dry everything. Oh, what a miserable day! Honestly, it was a little bit miserable. And the scenery was so pretty along the coast, but yeah, I couldn't really enjoy it. It was a little tough today for me. You wouldn't think that if you see this, right? But yeah, if it would have been this weather all day, it would have been fine, but it was not. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm here now. This is my home. Pot number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. Yes. The key. Ta-ta! Oh, this is slightly different from first time. Now I have a big bed. Nice! I love it. So, that was it for today. I don't think this was a very exciting video. But yeah, that it is what it is. And today was just a lot of rain. It's a shame that that was the last ride in Iceland with so much rain. But yeah. It's part of the deal. Unfortunately, the weather here can be pretty crazy, and I think I experienced that quite well this trip. Enough talking about the rain again. That was it for today. Yeah, so I'm leaving Iceland. Wow, what a country though. Spectacular. It's just beautiful everywhere. It really doesn't matter so much where you go. It's just stunning, stunning, stunning. And it was on my list for so long to come here, and I'm really glad I did. And Ronin did amazing. The off-roading went well. Yeah, I just had a blast. It was just incredible. I really enjoyed it. And there were so many interesting geological things to see as well. So yeah, I'm really happy I came here, and I did a lot of riding. So I think I got the most out of my trip here. I think you could ride around Iceland for 2 months if you want to. There's just so much to see. So yeah, in a first trip like this you can't see everything, but I really did my best to see some of the highlights of Iceland, and I think that that worked out well. So let me quickly show you what I did today. I started out here on the south side of Iceland, and then I just followed the ring road around here. This was all rain, and then I went through a tunnel here somewhere, and then yeah, some more rain. And then which one? I took this one, I think. Yeah, like that. To here, where I am now, and this was 380 kilometers. So yeah, I'm going back on the boat back to Denmark to continue my trip through the rest of Europe. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.